हमारा क्या है? चारों वेद है, मनुस्मृति है, उपनिषद है। हम कोई भी क्रिश्चियनों का बाइबल को फॉलो नहीं करेंगे। एम आई क्लियर? जय श्री राम, जय श्री राम। जीसस क्राइस्ट इज नॉट आवर्स, जीसस क्राइस्ट इज नॉट आवर्स। हमारा कौन है? राम भगवान। एम आई राइट? It should be.
He questions the pastor how Mother Mary got pregnant, how Jesus' existence came into this world. He's talking about gynecologists. He's talking about a sexual relationship. We have bloody no interest in y'all. Y'all have no bloody right to interfere into our Catholic religion. Who has given y'all the right to question the pastor? Who has given y'all the right to question about our holy religion? I want to question Modi ji, our honorable Prime Minister of India. When you say sabka saath, sabka vikas, I can't see any vikas over here. I can't see any saath over here. Why minorities are targeted? When you yourself believe in Catholic religion, when you yourself walked up to the church, you attended the Holy Mass, you participated in the Holy Mass. Why? Because you too believed. Because today I saw you taking blessings from a priest in the church of Delhi. And on the other hand, this particular person, by name Satya Rishi, who was prior to that called as Rahman, who has no ideology of himself. Today he is targeting Catholic religion and many other groups who tried vandalizing Catholic churches. My say is, if you don't believe, you can't force anyone. It is our belief towards our Catholic church. We are Roman Catholics and we have a strong belief in Jesus Christ. We have a strong belief in Mother Mary and all the saints and angels. हेज्या पयलें बी वेलेंकरान स्टेटमेंट केलो, मागीर आंकोडे मादर त्रेसाचे येयले, तिसरे आमगेलो पाद्री जुजे वाजाचे तो कट्टप्पा म्हूण येयलो. The children were going out with carol singing. They were attacked. Now I want to ask our honorable Prime Minister of India, what action are you supposed to be taking on such type of people? Saint Francis Xavierच्या मिसाकू तुम सारी मुखार आसता आयज तुमकडे तांक ना इचारपाक आमगे केस्ते क्रिस्तांवाचे फुंगसांव जाले, आमगे पाद्री हाय ते एच मिनिस्टरांगेर मुखार आसताय आनी आयज आमगे क्रिस्तांवाचेरू अत्याचार जाता, एच मिनिस्टर एक आवाज काढाय, आमगे पाद्र्यांको इचारता वतून तुमक जाय मिनिस्टर इगोजी पाळी दिलोले. Yesterday, the whole world celebrated Christmas festival, which is known by everyone and every religion participated in it. And yesterday, go to see 3-4 videos getting viral against the minority, against the Christians. आणि तितू चोपा गेल जाल्यार there is this particular person, neither we can call him a Muslim, neither we can call him a Hindu, or neither we can give him ideology to which religion he belongs to. Because Kal, he has been targeting Catholic religion. He gets into a prayer service. HOI.
विदेशी क्रिश्चियन लोगों का, विदेशी भाषाओं का बाइबल हमारे इंडिया में चलेगा नहीं। हमारा क्या है? चारों वेद है, मनुस्मृति है, उपनिषद है। हम कोई भी क्रिश्चियनों का बाइबल को फॉलो नहीं करेंगे। एम आई क्लियर? बोलो। ओम भूर्भुवस्सुः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्। ओके? जय श्री राम, जय श्री राम। जीसस क्राइस्ट इज नॉट आवर्स, जीसस क्राइस्ट इज नॉट आवर्स। हमारा कौन है? राम भगवान। एम आई राइट? इट शुड बी। साला इधर बाबरी मस्जिद बन रहा है, उसके लिए कोई आवाज नहीं उठा रहा है ना? बाबरी मस्जिद बन रहा है, उसके लिए कोई आवाज नहीं उठा रहा है। हिंदुओं का धर्म परिवर्तन होना चाहिए, है ना? मौलाना महमूद मदानी इज एंटी नेशनल, ही दैट बास्टर्ड शुड बी अरेस्टेड। बोल सकते हो ना? हम धर्म परिवर्तन करवाएंगे। वाई बेबी, वाई बेबी? हमारा जीसस क्राइस्ट
जवाब देना, जवाब दे भाई, जवाब दे।
ओके, सबके सामने पूछ रहा हूं इसको। मदर मैरी, जीसस क्राइस्ट को पैदा करने वाला मदर मैरी कैसे प्रेग्नेंट हुई थी बताओ? आई एम वेटिंग। घड़ी नहीं है फिर भी बोल रहा हूं
भैया।
जीसस क्राइस्ट कैसे पैदा हुआ था बताओ?
पवित्र आत्मा के द्वारा।
अरे तू बिना सेक्स के बच्चा पैदा कर सकता है?
वही तो परमेश्वर का पुत्र तभी है ना, क्योंकि
पवित्र आत्मा का
इंसान के अंदर पाप
वो
है।
नहीं घुसेगा तो
मेरे
बच्चे कैसे
भाई,
पैदा होगा?
पाप से अगर पाप से जन्म हुआ व्यक्ति कभी भी पाप से छुटकारा नहीं दे सकता, है ना?
Yes.
तो इसलिए परमेश्वर की आत्मा ये जो बायोलॉजिकल जो होता है उसके द्वारा पैदा नहीं हुआ है, ठीक है ना?
Really?
हाँ.
Can you explain this to the gynecologist? You baby?
Yeah,
Are you educated? Are you educated, baby?
Yes, I'm educated.
Okay, you know the process of
मैं वही तो
बच्चा
कह रही,
पैदा
अगर-
करने का प्रोसीजर बताऊंगे।
अगर जैसे मैं-
बच्चा पैदा करने का प्रोसीजर
भाई
बताऊंगे।
मेरी सुन तो सही। मैं जैसे पैदा हुई हूँ,
आप कैसे पैदा हुई बताओ?
आपको क्या सब कुछ-
अरे मम्मी पापा के मिलने से पैदा हुए ना, साहब बताओ खुल के।
अरे सांड और गाय मिलेगा तभी तो बच्चा पैदा होता है ना।
खुल के बोल रहा है फिर।
अरे
क्या
सांड-
करेगा वो फिर? तो आप बीच में क्यों बोल रहे हो? बैठ जाओ वहीं
वो
बैठो।
मुझसे-
ये जवाब देगा, ये यहाँ पे खड़ा होकर सबको कॉन्फ्रेंस कर रहा है।
He questions the pastor how Mother Mary got pregnant, how Jesus' existence came into this world. He is talking about gynecologists. He is talking about a sexual relationship. Amkanu te chitun dekun white disota because this person questions the pastor. He questions in regards to the holy religion. He questions in regards to the Holy Bible. My personal request to this so-called sung who is questioning the pastor, who is questioning our religion, we don't interfere into your religion. Whichever the sung you belong to, whichever the group you belong to, we have bloody no interest in y'all. Y'all have no bloody right to interfere into our Catholic religion. Who has given y'all the right? Who has given y'all the right to question the pastor? Who has given y'all the right to question about our holy religion? Do we question y'all? If you really want to know about Jesus Christ, if you want to know about Mother Mary, then you need to go through the Holy Bible. Let me tell you in short, Mother Mary was born without sin. And with the help of the Holy Spirit, she delivered Jesus Christ, who is still alive today. And you have no right, neither any sung or your so-called n number of groups questioning the Catholic religion. How and why? This Catholic religion has been in existence since ages. Who the hell are you to question us? We believe in one thing: live and let live. Nobody has the right to question the Catholic religion. As we don't interfere in you people's religion, you all have no right to interfere in our religion. You don't come on social media questioning about our religion. And our leaders are quiet in regards to this. Such people should be behind the bars. My blood starts boiling. I am from Goa. And what's happening in India, the entire world is watching. Yes, you were thrown out from Bangladesh. And now you have come to India to cause this disharmony among the religions. Few people like you, so-called Andhbhakt, are trying to cause disharmony. And this type of people will never change. It's there in their blood. And this type of people will never change. They exist in this world for the same thing. I also want to say, on social media, if someone posts something small in regards to you people's religion, the very next moment that person is arrested. Y'all can't take anyone talking in regards to your religion. So why we Catholics have to suffer because of these few unbugs, because of such elements, because of such groups? Every single day we Catholics are suffering. This type of people should be sent behind the bars. Jesus was not a sinner, still he was crucified, still he was nailed to death. Because of you type of people were in existence then, and you type of people are in existence now, who are trying to crucify our Catholic religion. This won't happen. We Catholics are still alive. And I'm calling out to each and every Catholic, not only in India, but entire world, we need to stand together. I want to question Modi ji, our Honorable Prime Minister of India. When you say Sabka Saath, Sabka Vikas, I can't see any Vikas over here. I can't see any Saath over here. When you say that you will give Saath, I can see only disharmony. Targeting the Catholics every now and then, every single day. Why? My question is to Honorable Prime Minister of India. Why minorities are targeted? When you yourself believe in Catholic religion, when you yourself walked up to the church, you attended the Holy Mass, you participated in the Holy Mass. Why? Because you too believed. On the other hand, such elements who are fooling the people of India in the name of religion, who are causing disharmony among the people of India, who are causing disharmony among the religion, why no action has been taken against them? Every single day, Muslims are targeted, Hindus are targeted, Catholics are targeted. Everywhere you go, there is disharmony against the religion. But this is all happening under your banner. You holding the leadership of India. I, being the Indian citizen, I have the right to question you. Why are we Catholics as minority are targeted today? Because today I saw you taking blessings from a priest in the church of Delhi. And on the other hand, this particular person, by name Satya Rishi, who was prior to that called as Rahman, who has no ideology of himself. Today he is targeting Catholic religion, Catholic minority. As I saw many other videos and many other groups who tried vandalizing Catholic churches, my say is, if you don't believe, you can't force anyone. It is our belief towards our Catholic Church. We are Roman Catholics and we have a strong belief in Jesus Christ. We have a strong belief in Mother Mary and all the saints and angels. Nobody can force us to believe what you all want us to believe. Eja poilain bi Welingaran statement kelo. Amge San Francis Xavier vorbi. Magir ankode Mother Teresa che ile. Tennai bi ainso una kodu mukare noloita ite. Tisre Amgelo Padri Jose Vazache to Kattappa Munelalo, who himself called as an activist, who tried vandalizing again and caused disharmony against the religion. Ata inga amgele je Catholic je leadership gena hai from top to bottom. Tum choitai kite. Ench amge goin zalo zalaru. Tum tera sodi ko oge rauta lole. आज इंडिया जालो हा आमगे गोय जापा ओगोत नाका कित्याकू एच तुमी मायग्रेंट्स आणि गोया बोलो हाय इंग टाइम नाका जे इंडिया चलता ते गोय जापा आणि आमगे गोय दाखलेशे आण बोरे आय तेंका आणि हे जे आता हुंय कितना चलता न्हू ते सगळे आमगे गोंयेन बोलो आहाय. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, they don't have ideology of their own. Tomorrow they are going to target us Catholics. आणि आमगेले जे मंत्री सोत्री आहाय ते तिंगाच रावाय. तुमका तोंड दिलो ना, तुमका तुमगेले कोदेल इम्पॉर्टंट. कित्या जे दिसा तुम्ही उलयतले तुमगे कोदेल काण घेयत म्हूण तुम भिताय. अरे तुमगे कोदला लागोन असो ती वाळटी ते किडी देखून तुमचे चोतोले ते चोतोले. बट तुम मोरोन देखून येतो ते मरे भर येवपाना. तुम शिराप कितको भोगतोले ते खबर ना. बायबलाचे बरयलो हा जे तुम्ही कोतले ते पिढगे पिढगडे भोगतोले म्हूण. बायबला यो जनरेशन्स विल सफर म्हूण. आनी आयज जेन्ना तुम आवाज काडपा जाय ते दोना तुमगे तोंडा बंद हाय. कित्या लागोन? ते कोदला लागोन. कित्या लागोन? ते पावरा लागोन. कित्या लागोन? बिकॉज ऑफ द ग्रीड ऑफ मनी. आता म्हाका विचारपा जाय आमगे गोंयकारांकडे, तुमकां खबर आसोन देखून तुम्ही तेच चोरां पतपतून निवडोन काटाय. आयज आमगे गोंयची दिशा एसो जालो हा कित्याक गोंय काबार जावपा उगोत नाका. आयज तर आमगे इंडियेक इगोज मोडो वयताय. आमगे पाद्री हाय तांकां क्वेश्चन कोताय. आमगे पाद्री हाय तांकां माताय. कित्याक गेलते पाटी एकल्यान सांगलो कितें, बीजेपीच्या मंत्र्यान सांगलोलें कितें म्हणू, पाद्रीगे हात कातोराय उमके पयशे, पाद्रीगे पाय कातोराय उमके पयशे, पाद्री जिती माराय तुमकां उमके पयशे म्हूण. आज परिस्थिती एसो येयलो हा इगोजी भितो आसोन टॅबरनेकल देखून तेमी मोड उडयले जितून जेजू भितर रावता. तुम खबर हा टॅबरनेकलान जिवन जेजू आसता भितर ते आमकां क्रिस्तांव धर्म खबर हा. आमी चोयलो हा. वी विटनस द ट्रूथ. वी फील द पेन. हें ते कोणाक कळपाना. एवरी टाइम क्रिश्चियन्स आर टार्गेटेड बाय द सेम फूल्स, बाय द सेम एलिमेंट्स. आता तर तुम्ही जाग जायनाय मुखार आनी तुम जाग जावपानाय. बिकॉज एवरीवेर यू गो कॅथलिक्स आर टार्गेटेड. आमी कॅथलिक केन्ना चोयलेय खंयचे धर्मा होली प्लेसीसां वचोन आमी एशको केन्ना केलो हा. जावं ते आमगे हिंदूआं गेले ओ मुस्लिमां गेले ओ आनी खंयचे रिलीजनां गेले. आम क्रिस्तावान भितर केन्ना पांय दिन एशको केन्ना नाटकां केलो हाय? नो. वी वर नॉट टॉट, नायदर वी वर बॉट अप विथ दॅट. हेजेर हांव डिमांड कोत्ता एका अरेस्ट कोन NSA लावपा जाय. कित्या बारीक जेन्ना केसीस जाताय तांकां तुम NSA लायताय मरे. टुडे एवरी रिलीजन इज क्राइंग फॉर देयर ओन रिलीजन टू बी प्रोटेक्टेड. सो दिस टाइप ऑफ पीपल whoever caused disharmony should be punished with NSA. They should be behind the bars throughout their life until the death mudpache. Only then this will set as an example. Tomorrow nobody should provoke any religion and neither someone should raise their voice against any religion. Every religion has the right to preach and practice. Nobody can force anyone. Now I want to ask our Honorable Prime Minister of India, what action are you supposed to be taking on such type of people? You have to talk it out. You have to tell the people of India, you have to tell the Catholics of India, what action are you going to take? Today I am questioning you. Tomorrow there are n number of Catholics who are going to question you. Because we as minority, we have the fear. We can't move around freely. Our children can't move around freely. The other day when you saw one of the videos, the children were going out with carol singing. They were attacked. So what guarantee is there tomorrow we Catholics are going to be protected? Aren't we the voters of India? Aren't we the citizens of India? Vote for mago येताय मरे सगळे क्रिस्तांव गेले. आयज कोणाकू तां के हा, आयज कोणाकू तां के हा प्राइम मिनिस्टराको विचारपाकू एकी जात काय म्हणू. आत विचाराय मरे आमगे सीएमा कडेन आवाज कित्याक काडा काय म्हणू आमगे कॅथलिकाचेरू. सेंट फ्रांसिस झेवियराच्या मिसाकू तुम सारी मुखार आसता आयज तुमकडे तांक ना विचारपाक आयज क्रिस्तांव धर्माक अटॅक केलो हा आयज कोणाक क्वेश्चन कोतले आमगे केस्ते क्रिस्तांवाचे फुंगसांव जाले आमगे पाद्री हाय ते एच मिनिस्टरांगेर मुखार आसताय आणि आयज आमगे क्रिस्तांवाचेरू अत्याचार जाता एच मिनिस्टर एक आवाज काढाय आमगे पाद्र्यांको जाता वतून तुमक जाय मिनिस्टर इगोजी पांय दिलोले तुमके मिनिस्टर जाय हुंय होय थिंगसोन एच आमदार एच MLA आमकां सारखे मुखार दिसती पडटाय ऑल्टरा कोडे कोण म्हणटे द्यागे सीस म्हणू कोणा एकल्याको तांक ना विचारपाक क्वेश्चन करपाक मुखार येवन झगडपाक आमगे सेंट फ्रांसिस झेवियरा प्रोटेस्टा दिसाकू I had seen few आमगे opposition MLAs who had come for the protest. Rest where were y'all? हुंच बिडां कोण आसले हुंय गोटेर कोण आसले तुम तेदो कोणा आमगे क्रिस्तांव धर्म आहा तो इट इज एट स्टेक म्हणू ऑल्सो विचारपा जाय आमगे जे क्रिस्तांवाचे उडकी मान गेले एच बेबे क्रिस्तांवाचे बेबे गेले तेंको विचारता धर्मूय बदल कोण उडकी मान गेले कितें तुमी तुमकां इकून एक बाजारी जालो हाय स्वातू इंकिलो क्रिस्तांव धर्मूय इंकिलो क्रिस्तांव धर्म चेंज कोण गेले कित्याक एकलो सांगता फार्म हाऊस मिनिस्टर आहा तो की आपण क्रिस्तांव धर्म तोडप आनी बोल दुसरे धर्म चोड म्हूण शिराप बोगतलो कित्याक दुसरे कितें जाले तेचो तो मुखार सारको बीजेपी अगेन्स्ट कितें उलोवपा जायना कित्याक बीजेपीन तांकां दुयलो हाय स्नो वायट दुयलो हाय तांकां ते दोणात तेंचे अगेन्स्ट कितें उलयले ते दोन ते छाती फुलोवन मुखार येताय आनी वेरी नेक्स्ट मुमेंट तूं चोय रोखडे व्हिडिओ काडटाय ते तेणेश मुळे तेण तेश मुळे आयज क्रिस्तांव धर्माचे उलयले ते दोणा तुमी बातिजात गेल ना एच फार्म हाऊस मिनिस्टराक विचारता बातिजात गेल तुये लोबो मात्ता बोबो तेजी बायल आहा हे सायडी मोन्सोरात आहा तेजी बायल आहा तुम सगळे राज कोण दलो आहा फॅमिली राज आज कोण उलयना क्रिस्तांव बद्दल आज क्रिस्तांव धर्म काबार जाला बट कोण उलोवपा सोदना लास्ट टाइम क्रिसमसा दिसांनीच कामासूत्रा म्हूण हाडोले कितू जाण उलयले बहुत थोडे आयज आमगे धर्मा बद्दल आमी तर उब रावनाय आमगे धर्म काबार जातलो मागता आमगे गोंयकारां कडेन आय एम कॉलिंग आउट टू एंटायर इंडियन Catholics to stand together to protect our religion no matter what it might cost your life they can take our body but not our soul always remember that we all need to come together on humanity ground not as religion there is no Hindu Muslim Catholic Sikh Buddhism over here we all should be together there are so many issues all over India, all over the world. In India itself, if you go to see, we suffer in poverty. There are so many children without proper education. There are so many villages without proper road, without proper electricity, without proper water. We need to come together and fight against this. There are so many murders, there are so many rapes. So many small children are raped. So many small children are murdered. There are so many things that we can fight against. All this corruption, destruction. Today we are fighting against Aravali, which is getting destroyed day by day. There is this hill Aravali, which is under threat. We need to fight against to save Aravali. There are so many issues that we need to fight against, not religion. Religion should be one. Tomorrow, if you faint and fall and someone offers you a glass of water, will you see which religion he belongs to? Then only you will accept that glass of water. Tomorrow you need blood or your family needs blood. Will you see which religion he belongs to? Then only you will accept the blood? No. We as on humanity ground, we need to stand united and not get this religion into the picture and fight amongst us. We all need to be together because Creator is one. आमगे सोगल्यांगे देव एकूच. A religion केले कोणे आमी मुंचर देवान केल नाही. So why fight among us, getting this religion into the picture? So I'm calling out to the entire world. We need to be together and not fight among us. We are answerable only to one God. Creator is who? We are the creation of God. Today environment is getting destroyed. Animals are at stake. We humans are at stake. For what are we fighting every single day? So I call upon the entire world. This new year, we all need to come together as one and fight against this illegalities, corruption that is happening. And on humanity grounds, let no religion separate us.